Hello, All Stars. Today is Friday, April 22nd. Let's find out what's on our calendar for the day. Wow, let's see what shape we have to determine symmetry this day. Wow, we have a square. Love those squares. Let's see if we can draw a line of symmetry. I'm going to go straight down from top to the bottom. Wow, that's a great line of symmetry. Let's see if we can draw another. Whoa. Wait a minute. I see two lines of symmetry. Do we have more? Let's see if we can try to draw one from here. We do. Let's see if we can also try to draw another one from here. There are many possible lines of symmetry with the square. Amazing. Let's now move into our days in school. Keeps growing and growing and growing. We love it. We are now officially on day 143. 143. Incredible. As we talk about the number 143, we each day write down these reminders of the number word, and math equations that help us make that number. I wonder if you can make any math equations that equal 143. And with our coins, we have even shown 4 quarters, 4 dimes, and now 3 pennies equal 143. Let's do our popsicle stick collection. So far, we've collected 14 popsicles this week. This is our last day of the week. So we'll count up our total and add it to our collection here. 5. So we have 1, which is going to make another group of 5 there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 all together this week. So we can write this down. Week 2, we have 19 sticks. Great, great, great information. The last thing that we're going to do is this day focus on adding on our hundreds chart. We've been talking about this all week, and we're going to spend the whole month talking about it, so I can't even say just a little bit of time. You can use this chart on the screen, and I'm going to ask you, if I circle a number and ask you a question, can you help me get the answer? If we said 37 plus 10, remember, when we're adding 10, we go down on the chart. If we are subtracting 10, we go up on the chart. So the math fact I just asked you was 37 plus 10. 37 plus 10, which means we are going down, and that answer is 47. Let's try another. What if we said 23 plus 10? 23 plus 10. Do we go up or down? We're adding, we go down. Very good. So it's 33. And today, I want you to see that we've also talked about how that number in front is the only thing that's changing. The number in the back stays the same. To move from 23 to 33, it's still a 3 at the end of it. It's the number in the front that changes. We're adding 10 more to it. Let's do one more. Why don't we say, 69 minus 10. Do we go up or do we go down? We go up. Very good. And again, that's the same thing. The number on the end is the same. To move from 69 and take away 10, we have 59. It's only the number in the front that has changed, but the number in the back, the 9, is still the same. I hope you're learning more and more about these All-Stars. Very proud of you. Keep up the great work. Enjoy.